Alright, hey guys, here we have an S.M.C U42 in polished brass. Picked this up at a thrift store on the way home from Habitat yesterday. Originally started out life as two S.M.C U42s, and one way or another the other one got trashed, so I was only left with blades. Not the version I'm looking for. I'm actually looking for the older version, but this one's nice too. And as typical with all S.M.Cs, every place that needed to be oiled got oil, or every place that could take oil got oil. All pull chains were kind of foobar. The reverse switch was pretty. It was like locked, like you couldn't even. Well, it wasn't locked, but it wouldn't move to the right position. It wouldn't go all the way to the forward position. I oiled both bottom and top bearings, and yeah, it's in alright shape, I guess. The blades are have little nicks and dings along here. One of them has a pretty good one. I don't remember which one it is. Finish isn't all that great either. Get the little S.M.C label over here. This fan is from '88. I don't remember the exact month. April maybe? August? I think it was August. Oh yeah, it's not light. I'm using like a 25-watt bulb, I believe. See what I mean? Medium. Go to high. The blades are pretty balanced as expected with these stamped steel brackets. It's pretty hard to knock them out of alignment. there's a 42 inch S.M.C. U42 in polished brass. Hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.